Welcome to Assam, the tea state of India. We are at Silchar and heading to Dolu Tea Estate, locally called as Dolu Bagan. Dolu Bagan is located around 15 kilometers from Silchar town on the Halflong road. This lovely lake makes Dolu Bagan a very popular picnic spot. Here you will be all around nature and natural things. I found 2 picnic parties on that afternoon. It's a good place for photography and a good place for taking long walks. And I was also told that on the other end of the lake there is a small falls. For more interesting places in and around Silchar, check our upcoming videos.